From the very first line, it's clear this isn't about one shoplifting charge. It's a pattern. Different stores, different days, the same routine. Watch how the officer methodically builds a case, stacking each incident one after another. This isn't TV drama. It's how a paper trail becomes a criminal story.
Ready?
Yes. On December 17th, 2024, an officer reviewed an OR, an offense report of a theft on September 17th, 2024. According to the report, the complainant reported that the defendant, known to the complainant by name and site, stole 2 espresso machines on August 9th, 2024. The complainant stated the defendant committed the theft at 3 other store locations. The officer reviewed documents that there were theft incidents at 4 home goods locations. The first incident occurred outside of Harris County, Texas. The second incident was investigated by the Harris County Precinct 4 Constable's Office. The third incident occurred on August 9th, 2024, where the defendant and an unidentified female entered the home goods and entered the line to make a merchandise return. Once in line, the defendant ran toward the back, where she selected 3 sets of sheets and then walked to the front of the store and rejoined the female in line. The defendant then placed the sheets on the counter and provided the cashier with her state ID. The system denied the non-receipted refund due to excessive returns without a receipt. The merchandise was then returned to the defendant. The defendant and the unidentified female then left the store, passing all points of sale without attempting to pay. The value was $599.99. The fourth incident occurred on August 9th, 2024. The defendant arrived alone at another home goods location and proceeded into the store with an empty shopping cart. The defendant selected 2 espresso machines and then walked to the front of the store and passed all points of sale without attempting to pay, and the security sensors went off. The value was $999.98. The officer reviewed the surveillance footage from the third and fourth incidents and compared them to the defendant's previous booking photo, and they were a match.
Listen closely when the judges talk about protecting every person, place, and thing. That's not just rhetoric or legal formality. The court's message is simple. Keep testing the system, and the system will test you harder.
She's on bond for a gun case with us now. Where's the first theft?
The first theft is from a Walmart, Judge. $121.
Ms. Beck, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case, and I'm going to tell you now, I will do everything in my power to protect every person, place, thing in this county. And if I have to put you in custody and make your bond $50,000 because you continue to become a danger to our city, I will do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand me? I'm ordering you not to go to any Walmart, any Marshalls, Home Goods, in anywhere. And I'm going to put a GPS monitor on you so I know where you are at all times. You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm sending you now for a test so I know what, if anything, is in your system. You're to test, and then you're to come right back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
GPS monitor. No Walmart. No Marshalls. No Home Goods. Mandatory drug testing. Full-time work required. Miss any of it, and your bond's at risk. This is accountability built like architecture. A cage made of conditions, not bars. For now.
Your Honor, the defendant is also a complainant in this court as well. I need to bring up, we've reassigned these cases so that we can deal with it, and so it's on separate prosecutors. Like, I have the other defendant's case assigned to me, and Abigail is assigned this case. She's listed as so she is listed as the complainant in a separate case also in Court 5.
In what regard?
So she,
Like in an assault or something like this, of this nature?
yes, it's an assault, Your Honor. And to
Okay, so you divvy it up how you want.
Yes.
Yes.
Because I don't want her to pick up fourth case.
Right.
No, we just want to
Sure,
make you
that-
aware, Your Honor.
Yes.
Then the twist. She's not just a defendant. She's also a complainant in another case. Real life rarely fits clean categories. Victim in one file, accused in the next. The court has to keep those lanes separate to stay fair, but emotionally, it's a tangle.
I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? These are your bond conditions. You violate these conditions, I'm going to revoke all of your bonds, and I don't understand why you're having attitude. You have now 3 cases. You're rolling your eyes as if you have some kind of...
Watch the body language. The judge catches the eye roll, the attitude, and responds. In court, respect isn't decoration. It can shift your bond, your freedom, your entire day.
Just as far as a bond in this case, on the newest theft case.
We would suggest a surety bond on the case, Judge, and leave it up to your discretion in terms of amount, but I don't think a PR bond would be appropriate here.
Well, if you do make it a surety bond, we could ask for it to be low. She did show up here on her own volition today. And I think she's, at least for today, showing the right.
Now comes the chess match. Prosecutors push for a high bond. No personal recognizance. Defense fires back. She showed up on her own. Give her a chance. This is where judges weigh risk versus rehabilitation. Live. In real time.
Set your bond at $2,500. Cash a surety. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? I want to send her for a drug test right now. So Fleisha,
Judge, I can't send her until the bond has been posted, or else they'll take her into custody.
okay, then I'm going to give her a PR bond for now because I want to send her right now.
Yes, Judge. I'll still have to wait till that shop sizes.
Yep, go for it. Okay, I'm going to set the bond at $2,500. I'm going to give her a PR bond because I want to send her for a test now. You were to test and then you're to come back. Do you understand?
Bond set at $25,500 cash. Sounds straightforward until the judge pivots. PR bond for now, but only because she wants a drug test now. That's precision. The court wants data first, consequences second.
Not leave until you sign our bond conditions. Please take a seat.
Do I have to be back here when she returns?
No, I'm not. I want to know what, if anything, is in her system, but I want proof within a week of today of full-time employment. Okay. And then depending on what happens with the test, when we come back in a week, we'll talk about how to go.
Final condition, get a full-time job and show proof within a week. The subtext is harsh but honest. If you're not working, I'll assume you're stealing. Fair? Maybe, maybe not. But in this courtroom, that's the deal. Tight supervision, limited freedom, and one last chance to choose a different path.